All right, got the primer out because I'm outdoors doing some priming. I figured, why don't I start on this over here? I'll show you what's going on. You can see I got a washer and dryer. That's gonna go right there through that wall. But I want to paint this cabinet. I'll show you why. Debating since I moved in to just put the washer and dryer here because the shower's behind it. It's a really cool built-in cabinet. Probably original to the house, I would say. This is Douglas fir plywood, it says. And when I read on the internet, it's not a pleasant smelling wood. It smells very earthy, almost like crap too. But usually these are cedar lined closets, for moths. This looks like it, but it's not. I don't know if it originally was a closet for clothing. Clothes, is it? Hello, clothing. It's got these cool notches. I assume these are for like some sort of shelving. I don't know. Maybe that was something. I don't know. But I like using it as a closet. These shelves too. They're made to go there. I don't think they're original, but it's got this cool built-in drawer underneath. But I'm gonna prime this thing because it smells, and it just seems easier than doing anything else. I just gave it a quick wipe down. I'm not really worried about the surface, but I'll do a quick cut in with this brush. Well, I said prime. I'm going to prime and paint, obviously, but I think this Kills primer is good for getting rid of odor, it said too, or blocking odor. And that's what we got. So let's give this a good soaking. Maybe I'll put a shirt on for you. Alright, I'll show you what that noise is in a second. It's 1,000 degrees in here, so it's a fan. But yeah, just did the doors. They really sucked up the freaking primer. Oof. So, coat one is good for me. I don't know if I'm going to do the shelves. I'll take them outside and see if this smell goes away. I'm sure it will. But, I'm just going to smell paint and primer for a week. My 1928 GE brass blade fan oscillating away, and well, it seems to be a little stuck. I think she needs a little oil. Yeah, we're going to go out and do a video on this. I never did. This was my first first project ever before YouTube. This is back when they made fans. I think it weighs like 25 pounds maybe. Big openings, you can stick your fingers in there. Or as I did when I was a kid, we had a similar one. I would stick my toys in there. Luckily, it was not the brass blade. I think this one's a little out of polish, so gotta do that one of these days. Really cool, man. I love these old mechanical things. Need some paint. Yeah, so they got this ancient peel and stick on them. Yeah, these just smell. I can already smell just that wood, plywoody smell. You don't want that in your clothing, right? Unless you're putting your Carhartts in there, your work clothes. It probably just absorbs moisture, and that could be mold. Like it's a humid house. Yeah, let's peel that off. And maybe I'll spray paint these. I don't know. This will be for the ASMR crowd who just like to see things and watch it peel. Oh. that is. Oh. Thumbtack in the yard. Don't worry, I'll step on that barefoot. Oh. There we go. Good enough. Sand it too. See if I can find that tack. I think I saw it. No, I couldn't find it. When I step on it, I'll let you know. I did find this. This looks important. Went to something, an end cap. Could be anything in this yard. And by stink, I don't mean the paint, I mean the wood. I still smell like this earthy, almost old, like an old lady's house. I don't want to smell that. I looked in the basement. It's just, rafters underneath this. Unless there's something above it. Something died up in there, which wouldn't be surprised. Jumping around, doing everything at once. Well, I had the primer open. So we primed that yesterday. So now that's paint. Yeah, I did some paint. I think it still stinks. God damn it. We'll see what happens.
All right, here we are, maybe a month later. So I don't think I put anything in here. I think I just had it closed up. Sounds like the dinner I burnt earlier, but now this is good now. Yeah. So covering up that wood got rid of the odor, which is good. So we can start putting stuff back in there again. I think it came out pretty good. I'm happy. All right. Lots of stuff going on here. We'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully a little longer than this video. I don't know, the short ones, people like short ones. Well, I know a lot of guys are doing 2 hours. It's like, Jesus Christ.